Hello, welcome to my channel English Crossroad. How are you children? Today in this video we are going to enjoy a clever and meaningful poem from your class 6 Poorvi textbook of English. The title of the poem is Raven and the Fox. This poem is written by Jean de La Fontaine. This is not just a poem, it is a story in rhyme with an important lesson. So let's begin. Mr. Raven was sitting on a tree branch. Mr. Raven means it's a bird like crow. Mr. Raven was sitting on a tree branch, holding a piece of food in his beak. Mr. Raven, you have seen in the picture, is like a crow. The bird is a big bird like a crow. So it was having a food piece in his beak. Below the tree, a clever fox named Reynard looked up and saw the food. Now he wanted to eat it, but instead of snatching it, means taking it away, he made a plan. The fox began praising the raven. Wow, you are such a handsome bird with beautiful feathers. If only you could sing, the birds would make you their king. So he is saying that you are a beautiful bird, and if you will sing, all the other birds in this forest will make you the king of the forest. The raven felt proud and happy. He forgot that his voice is only a croak, not a sweet song. So he opened his beak to sing. You see, when the raven was praised by the fox, he forgot that he was not able to sing. But he forgot it and he started to sing. And he opened his beak to sing. And what happened? The food fell down. The clever fox quickly took it and said, "Ha ha, now you know. Don't trust sweet words. Pride is not wise." Okay, we should think before doing some action. Moral of the poem is, don't believe flattery. Be wise and stay grounded. Pride can make us lose what we already have. So this is the moral of the poem. Now let's see about the poet. Jean de La Fontaine. He was a famous French poet and a fabulist. Fabulist means a person who writes fables. He lived in the 17th century and wrote many animal stories in poem form. His fables are famous all over the world for teaching life lessons in a fun way, just like this one which we have seen. Now let's check your understanding. Who were the two characters in the poem? Mr. Raven and the Reynard, the fox. What did the raven have in his beak? A morsel of food. Morsel means a piece of food. How did the fox trick the raven? By praising the raven's feathers and asking him to sing. What happened when the raven opened his beak? The food fell down and the fox took it. This is what it happened. What is the message of the poem? Don't fall for flattery. Don't fall for flattery. Pride can lead to foolish mistakes. So this is a message from this poem. Now for the teachers, here are some activities. You can give your children the activity 1, draw the scene. That is, ask students to draw the raven on the tree and the fox looking up. Color it and label the characters. Children will enjoy doing this activity. Second activity is create your own mini fable. Think of two animals like a lion and a mouse and write 4 lines where one tricks the other. And you can also add a moral to that. Activity 3, role play. Act out the short story in pairs. One student as the raven and one as the fox. So these activities can be given in the class. Children will enjoy it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.